If you're a home-based trader, I'm sure you've seen images like this across YouTube, where traders have all these screens, they're analysing all these charts and indicators, and they're trying to guess what's going to happen in the future, or they would like to say an educated prediction, which is a guess, it's a gamble. It's a bit like going to the bookies and saying, well, I believe that horse is going to win because it's the strongest, it's won the last 10 races, but the chances of that horse actually winning the race, even though it's won the last 10, is completely out of your control. It's merely a guess that you're making. You're hedging your bets that that horse is going to come home for you again and win. And that's what traders do when they look at these charts. And you can go and buy $5,000 DVDs that will teach you this stuff. But I can tell you, what I'm about to show you ditches all this. You don't need a single chart. I'm going to share my screen with you in a moment and show you how to really trade. And there won't be a monitor or a chart on the screen at all. I will not use this way of trading, but what I'm going to show you, I believe, is going to change today the way that you think about trading. It's going to change today the way that you actually carry out your trading. And if you've never traded before and you don't know where to start, today is going to be the day that you do know where to start. I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your socks completely off. It's mind-blowing, it really is. Let me share my screen rather than me ramble anymore. Here I am in the Telegram group, and look at this one. These are all, if you can see that, they're all the buys. Let me just click on it. All the greens are all the buys, and all the reds are all the sells. And look, the price is going down, and this robot is still picking up where the candles go down, come up, go down, come up, and it's still picking up profits. It's making profits even when the price is going down. Look at this. On the Binance bots, it made $2,646 in passive profits. And on the Pancake Swap bots, it made $635 in passive income. Look at this user here. Look, Bitcoin's going down, but the bot still makes money. How cool is that? Look at that. The price is going down. These are the buys, the greens, and the reds are the sells. Look, so it's buying, selling. Buyed at the bottom, sold at the top. Buying here, sold here. Buying here, sold here. Bought down the bottom here. Look at that when the candle dropped down. Bought, sold. Come down here, bought, sold, and it's just bought another lot in there. How fantastic is that? There's another one here. It's an ADA robot, and the price is going down. You can clearly see that the price is going down. The candles are going down. If you look up there, it's gone down by 3.74%, and yet this robot is picking up profits as the market goes down. Because, like I said earlier, reds are the sells, greens are the buys, and it's buying down the bottom, selling at the top, buying down the bottom, selling at the top, buying down the bottom, selling at the top, buying down, selling. Look, you can't fake this stuff. This is the actual trading charts on Binance, and you can actually see the decentralized trading robots on the blockchain. I mean, look at this. This robot made $2,105 of passive income in just 13 hours. I mean, look at this guy. Look, less than 2 hours, it's made 34.55%. Now, how crazy is that? Less than 2 hours, it's made over 34%. I mean, look at this one, Pepe, 131%, 13.19% per hour for this member here. Absolutely mind-blowing. And look at this guy, look, another one making 24%. And this one says, hats off to Jeremy and the team for creating this life-changing AI bot. I mean, let's have a look at the screen here. Look, the market's going sideways here. And yet it's picking up. Look at this, where the sales that have popped in here, and the reds are the sales and the greens are the buys. And look at this here. It's picking up all this profit. You can hardly see the candles because of all the buys and sells that the robot's doing. I mean, look at this one, 8.4% per hour. This is made 530% trading SHIB. And it was started on the 1st of March, 530%. That's 8.4% per hour. And as this guy says, this is mental. And it really is mental. I mean, look at this guy. He says, look, started 5 hours ago. And after I paid my SF, which is the software service fee, how cool is that? $19 per hour he's making. And he's saying, that's £15 an hour. My boss pays me £10 an hour. He's getting paid more than what his day job gives him per hour using the Johnny blockchain trading robot. I mean, look at this one. He says, started this 2 days ago. 69.9, 70% in 2 days trading Floki. And this guy says, boom, 1k profit in 49 days. Let's have a look. There's his profit. Look, over a 1k profit. He's got 1,034 there and 191.49 there. That's over $1,000 in profit in 49 days. Absolutely crazy. I mean, just look at that. Look, in 30 days, he's got just over $900 in profit in 30 days. $86, look at that, $86 in profit in 1 day from using the Johnny blockchain trading robot. Look at this one, 62% for 3.5 hours of trading. This robot works. And look at this one. How cool is that? Look at these trades all going in. Look, the market's going up. If you were holding this coin, you would buy down the bottom and hope to sell it at the top. But this robot is picking up buys and sells all the way up the top. Look at this. This guy says here, been a great week. And let's have a look what he means. Look, he's made $274 in 1 week using the Johnny blockchain trading robot. So if you want to get access to a trading robot that really works, below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to this page, Johnny Blockchain. In the top right-hand corner, you're going to find a sign-up button, or in the left-hand corner, you'll find register. Click on either of those. It's going to take you to this screen where you can put your name, your email address, pop in a password, put some ticks in those boxes there. Click on this complete sign up. You can create an account absolutely free so you can have a good look round. And when you're ready to get started, you can create as many trading robots as you like for $25 a year. You will pay a software service fee for every profitable trade, or you can pay $25 a year to get access to a Binance, a centralized trading robot. And of course, you can have both, which means you'd be out of pocket of $50. And then, of course, you need a balance to trade with. You don't pay the software service fee until you're in profit. So if you're really looking for a real passive income, none of this buffalo dust that you see online where you've got to send somebody else your money, your funds either stay inside your MetaMask wallet or inside your Binance account. Johnny Blockchain cannot withdraw your funds. You're in control completely 100% of the time. Click the link below, come over to Johnny Blockchain and create a real passive income that's making real money. You have a great day and happy trading. Click the link below.